YouTube channel Tech and Learning. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you will get all the interesting videos notifications. In this video we will talk about the mobile charger circuit, and also simulate it on the Proteus software. Mobile phones generally charge with 5V regulated DC supply, so basically we are going to build a 5V regulated DC supply from 220 AC. This DC supply can be used to charge mobiles as well as the power source for digital circuits, breadboard circuits, ICs, microcontrollers etc. As we are converting 220 volts AC into a 5 volts DC, first we need a step-down transformer to reduce such high voltage. Here we have used 9091 amp step-down transformer, which convert 220 volts AC to 9 volts AC. In transformer there are primary and secondary coils which step up or step down the voltage according to the number of turn in the coils. Rectification is the process of removing the negative part of the alternate current, hence producing the partial DC. This can be achieved by using 4 diodes. Diodes only allow current to flow in one direction. In first half cycle of AC, diode D2 and D3 are forward biased and D1 and D4 are reversed biased, and in the second half cycle, negative half, diode D1 and D4 are forward biased and D2 and D3 are reversed biased. This combination converts the negative half cycle into positive. A voltage regulator IC7805 is used to provide a regulated 5 voltage DC. Input voltage should be 2 volts more than the rated output voltage. For proper working of IC means at least 7 volts is needed, although it can operate an input voltage range of 7 to 20 volts. Voltage regulators have all the circuitry inside it to provide a proper regulated DC. Capacitor of 0.01 microfarad should be connected to the output of the 7805 to eliminate the noise produced by transient changes in voltage. The output after the rectification is not a proper DC, it is oscillation output and has a very high ripple factor. We don't need that pulsating output, for this we use capacitor. Capacitor charge till the waveform goes to its peak and discharge into load circuit when waveform goes low. So when output is going low, capacitor maintains the proper voltage supply into the load circuit, hence creating the DC. Now how the value of this filter capacitor should be calculated. Now we go to our laptop screen and apply it on Proteus software. Now we make new project. Write a name for your project like 5 volts charger. Just click next on every window. Here is the workplace. Now we select all the components we require. Like an AC voltage source, resistors, capacitors, voltage regulator, a transformer. For this you can see the keyword that I am typing for different components. Now it's time to patch the components according to the circuit diagram. First I place the AC power source. There first I pick the sine voltage source, then connect it to the transformer. Then we take 4 diodes to make the Wheatstone bridge, which is used to convert the AC voltage to the DC voltage. Now I have taken capacitors and connect them with the Wheatstone bridge. These capacitors are working as filter in this charger circuit. Now there is a voltage regulator 7805. That will regulate voltage in charger. Now I have to attach the load resistor. The circuit is almost complete, just change the V sign, amplitude and frequency. Now we just connect the voltage meters to check the reading of input and output, to verify our circuit, whether it is working good or not. Here we can see when we simulate the circuit. It shows the error. It is because we do not connect the ground. So now we connect the ground and then again simulate the circuit. Here we can see the input power supply is of 230 volt, and, on the other hand, the output is of 5 volt DC. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to stay connected with me and get more updates related to tech and learning. So stay tuned and keep watching.